we're growing into this new era where HRT is not just for little old ladies. HRT is for everybody, for men and women of all ages who are suffering, who medically require hormone replacement therapy. Everybody's been looking for this new approach, this new standard, this new era of hormone replacement therapy. We've grown beyond the fears around HRT largely. We're still dispelling those myths, of course, and I dispel that entirely in the course, but we're growing into this new era where HRT is not just for little old ladies. HRT is for everybody, for men and women of all ages who are suffering, who medically require hormone replacement therapy. This technology that's been around for so long, and it's just been kind of tucked away in this corner. And it's here and now. It's available for you as a provider and for me to utilize and to help people reach outcomes that, we probably never thought possible. And now we can with HRT. That's how freaking cool this stuff is. So the course itself, it has some of my artwork, right? It has hand-drawn pictures because it's speaking volumes as to what you guys mean to me when you're looking at this course. I don't want your eyes to feel tired looking at some black and white slide. I want it to be inspired. I want you to feel that as many moments as you can every time you interact with HRT University, whether it's the master course, whether it's the website, whether it's with Pearl, our AI mentor. I want you to experience something that is unique and different. I remember, some of my business mentors, when I was kind of describing to them what HRT University was going to be, I think they kind of shook their heads and they were like, dude, that's, trust me, you're barking up the wrong tree. I don't think you're going to see the excitement that you're thinking. I think it just needs to be plain and straightforward and black and white, and you just got to compete with all the other course producers out there. And there was a part of me that said, maybe that's true. Maybe I'm totally totally in over my head over this whole thing. But there was a much bigger part of me that said that respectfully, you're wrong. You're wrong about that, because I know people, and I know that they are smart and interesting and insightful and curious and wonderful. And I knew that was what the market, you all, even including myself, seriously, that was what we were looking for this whole time. Even though the world wasn't ready for it, right? And I think about people who have done things like that. I have so many mentors who, I wish literally they could have been alive and I could have spoken with them. But I think Steve Jobs was one of those characters. And I know he's got a very, tantrum-like effect when you read about him and his business persona and things of that nature. But there was something that was really endearing about him, which was that he knew that computers could be so much more than just this big plastic box that you typed numbers and letters into. He knew that it could evolve into something that was more beautiful and more meaningful, something that could drive inspiration, right? And in so many ways, I thought, I don't have to think small with HRT University with this master course. I shouldn't. I think that would be dishonest of me to do that. And I think it would be unfair to you as someone who maybe has taken the course or maybe is interested in taking the course, right? There's 1,000 courses you could take. There's 1,000 different ways to approach hormone replacement therapy. All of that's true. All of that's true. I'm not even here to disparage my competitors, so to speak. I really am not. I'm actually, and I mean this, I'm not focused on them in the sense that I am not interested in making the same type of product. When I see a system or I see a product that is flawed or broken in some way, My goal is to not make a less flawed or broken thing. My goal is actually, can I create an entirely new category of that thing? Right? I constantly quote Buckminster Fuller, and I'll paraphrase a little bit, but he's saying, don't take a broken system and try to fix it. Make a new system and make the old one obsolete.
Thank you so much for checking out this clip and tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. If you really liked it, I definitely recommend that you click here to watch the whole entire video where I go into much more detail. Thank you again for joining, and I'll see you there.